Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Klaviyo emails, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video into your Klaviyo email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put a video in your Klaviyo email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that by adding video, it can help with your conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Klaviyo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Klaviyo, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a video into one of your emails, first you have to find the email. So campaigns right here, this is if you sent a one-off email. Here in flows, this would be your email funnels. So if you have a funnel of like 3 or 4 different emails, you can go in there and find that specific email that you want to add the video into. Or lastly, down here in templates. So if you use the same email template over and over again, maybe you want to add a video into it. Either way, you need to get to that email editor for that one specific email you want to add the video into. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose one of my templates. So here's my template right here. I'm going to go ahead and click right here on these 3 dots and edit template. It's going to be basically the same process if you went through the flows or you went through campaign. Now, once you found the email that you want to add a video into, it's going to show an image of it right here. And in order to go ahead and add a video, what you're going to do is here on the left side, you're going to see these blocks. Just scroll down until you see this one here called video. And all you're going to do is just grab it and just drag it right on over to your email. Now, as you hover it around, you're going to see this kind of blue dotted line. That's where it's going to drop. So for example, if we want the video up towards the top, we'll just drag it up here. If we want it towards the bottom, we'll drag it down here and just drop it in. Okay, now we have a video block, but we don't have a video yet. So what you're going to do is here on the left side, you're going to need to add the video URL. So this can be from your Vimeo or it can be in YouTube. Now, if it's YouTube, it could be your video or it could be anyone's video as long as they have the share button. So I pulled up one of my videos right here. Let me go ahead and close this down. Okay, so here is one of my videos. And again, this doesn't necessarily need to be your video. You can go ahead and click on share. Once you click on share, you're going to copy this URL right here. Okay, and then we're going to go back over here to the email editor and we're just going to paste that URL in. Okay, it's starting to process. Okay, now you can see the video is showing up in my Klaviyo email. Now here, if you want to add a text, this is a great video. Okay, and then you can go ahead and adjust this. So if you want to go ahead and put a play button over it, you can do that. And then here you can go ahead and adjust the look of the player down here if you want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and leave it how it is. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now what you want to do is see what it looks like in the live version. So up here on the top right, you want to go ahead and click on preview and test. Okay, so here is what the email is going to look like. You can see we added a video into our Klaviyo email, and I'm going to click on done and then exit. Okay, so here in my template, you can see we have a preview of our email in Klaviyo, and it includes that video that we added in there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video into your Klaviyo email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.